Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you all to yet another session of English worksheet number 34 dated 22 September 2020. The topic of today's worksheet is usage of modals mainly must, should, can and have to. To have a better understanding of today's worksheet, let us review the usage of must, can, have to and should. Must is used to express obligation, give orders, give advice. It can only be used for present and future references. References means citation or mention. When the past is involved, you use have to instead of must. Let us see when the must is used and with examples. First, to express obligation. Must is used to express obligation. For example, all pupils must bring a packed lunch tomorrow. Second, to give orders firmly and positively. You must go to sleep now. Third, to give advice or make recommendations empathically. Empathically means in a systematic and sympathetic manner. Examples: you must get one of these new smoothie makers, they are great. You must see Nims Island, it's brilliant. Fourth, to speculate about the truth of something. She must be mad. You must be joking. There must be some mistake. Mrs. Robinson is here. It must be Tuesday. When this sort of statement is made in negative or interrogative, can is used instead of must. Can Mary be joking? Can she really mean that? You can't be serious. It can be true. Must can be used in interrogative, but many speakers prefer have to instead. Interrogative means questions, queries, to inquire something. Examples: must you go so soon? Must I invite Helen? Instead of must, we use have to. Let us see an example. Do you have to go so soon? Do I have to invite Helen? You can use must with the negative. In case first, to forbid someone to do something. Forbid means to disallow or prohibit. Examples: you must not cross when the light is red. You must not say things like that. Second case, to talk about an event or state that is unacceptable. There must not be any mistake in your letter. The whale must not become extinct. Note that and express the fact that you are not obligated to do something. You use do not have to. Let us compare. You must not come in here. You don't have to come in here. In second sentence, if you don't want, you don't have to come. There is an option which is being given. Lastly, it is necessary to change must to have to when changing sentence from direct speech to reported speech. I must fill out those forms this evening, said Ian. Ian said that he had to fill some forms. Must, the contracted negative form is must not. For example, you must not worry so much. Let us come back to the worksheet and do the exercise given to us, that is to complete the sentences by choosing the suitable modals. First, these days we dash wear a mask when we go out. It is a mandatory situation and there is a restriction imposed, so answer would be must. Second, a shield dash be worn if you need to come in contact with a corona patient. There are certain guidelines to be followed while contacting with the corona patient, so the answer would be must. Third, you dash wear a shield if you go to the market. Answer आएगा have to. Why have to? Because instead of in interrogative sentences we tend to use, instead of must we use have to. Question number 4, fourth part. As much as possible we dash stay at home. Fourth, the answer would be can, because there is an option to it. We can stay at home or we have to go to work or something. Fifth, a sanitizer dash be used after you touch any object used by others. The options are must and should, but it can come, the should would be there in any ordinary situation, but because it is a pandemic situation and there is a global warning around it, so the answer would be must. Sixth, to be safe, carrying your own water bottle is a must. It is very obvious right now. Seventh, people living in contaminated areas dash minimize public contact. There are two options, must and should. Answer would be must, because it is a strict guideline and restrictions imposed by the government, so it must be followed, so must will be coming. Washing hands regularly dash be ensured. Must or should? In this case must would be coming, because in normal circumstances the washing of hands is a normal routine, so it would be or it should be. But in terms of pandemic, we have to see there are certain guidelines to be followed. It becomes mandatory, so must will be coming. Ninth, you dash try to develop a sign language to avoid speaking all the time. You can, because it is an optional. You can adopt a sign language or you can't. It is your option. When there is an option, you will fill it with can. 10th, all of us dash eat healthy food to boost our immunity. The answer would be should, because chahiye, it should be followed. Fine. By this above discussion and doing the exercise, I hope the models will be clear to you. So we conclude our work.